Good morning, students. You're welcome on the day Tuesday, 7th July of 2020 in class of Physics 9th O level, Unit 12, Sound. Today we are going to work on the work example 12.9 on the page 220. Please open your books and read the statement. I'm going to read the statement. The figure is given there, and in figure, only the figure is given, and from figure, we have to find the following things: 2 times angle of refraction, one is called R1, and other angle of refraction is called R2. So 2 angle of refraction we have to find out, but in your books the first angle of refraction is written as x and other one is called y. In figure it is written there that one angle is x and one is y, both are angle of refraction. And B part, the angle of incidence I. So I will take you to a figure. I have already drawn the figure on your whiteboard. This figure is given in the book, example 12.9 on the page 220. The figure PRQS. This one is a glass slab. One light ray enter in a glass slab at the angle of I, angle of incidence is equal to 60. In first part, we have to find the angle of refraction. This angle we have to find out. Of course, you have studied and learned the angle of formula, that the refractive index equal to sine angle I and divided by sine angle R. So we have to find sine angle R. We will rearrange the equation and our equation will become sine angle R equal to sine angle I divided by n, the refractive index. And after that, while we put the values of sine angle I 60, this is given here, angle I is equal to 60, and refractive index of glass, you know that it is 1.5. R will be remain there, angle R will be remain there, and sine, while it will be shift from left to right hand, it will become inverse of the sine. So inverse of the sine angle 60 is equal to 0.3064 and 1.5 refractive index. When we calculate and simplify, the angle R is comes that it is equal to 35.3 degree. Now we have to find the x also. I told you that we have to find the x. As you know that the angle x and angle R are alternate angles. So alternate angle, you have learned in mathematics that alternate angles are always equal. So R and x will be equal. Therefore R is equal to 35.3. So x will also be 35.3 degree. Now we have to find the angle of refraction, that is y. This case and this case are little different. Here in this case, light enters from rare medium to denser medium. Air is the rarer medium and glass is the denser medium. And in this case, this angle is angle of incidence in the denser medium and angle of refraction is in a rarer medium. So therefore, the angle of refractive index, this n is equal to sine I angle I sine angle R. It is in this case while the light rays enter from rare medium to denser medium. But when the light rays comes out from the denser to the rare medium, the same formula will be changed. So sine angle y, angle of refraction, will become on the place of denominator, and angle of incidence will become on the place of numerator. So numerator and denominator will be changed in case of this case. So we have to find the angle I, angle of refraction, and angle of incidence will be placed on the denominator. So sine angle y will be equal to, while we rearrange the equation, this sine angle x will be multiplied by n. So sine angle y will be equal to n refractive index sine angle x. Value of n refractive index 1.5, sine, and the value of x we have found that it is 35.3 degree. So while we multiply and rearrange the value of, find the value of sine 35.3 and multiplied it by 1.5, the answer will be 60 degree. So my dear students, you have learned the main two things, that what is the formula for the refractive index when the light enters from rare medium to denser medium. It is like this: angle of incidence comes on the numerator place and angle of refraction comes on the denominator place. But it changes while the rays enter from denser to rare medium. The angle of incidence comes on the denominator place and angle of refraction comes on the numerator place. So I think that you have learned it, and next time when you will solve the numerical problem or an example yourself, you must keep this in your mind. Thank you and God bless you. Hopefully we will see each other tomorrow.